Hello students, welcome in ICT class chapter 1 Computer Networking part 1. Hello class 8. Today I am going to explain chapter 1, that is computer network. Look at here, need of communication. Do you know student what is the need of communication? Yes, communication is basically used to convey thought, your idea, and everything else that need to be expressed or convey. Communication is basically used to students convey your idea and express to the other person. Communication among individual is not only face to face, but it also involve sharing of lots of informations. We can also share the information through the communication. Devices that we use to talk or to send the message from one person to another are different mode of communication in our daily life. Like mobile is also a way to convey your message or explain your thought. Now look at children, peripheral devices, all the devices that are attached to the computer, like the keyboard, mouse, scanner, printer, etc., are the peripheral devices. It means all the devices that are attached to your computer are the peripheral devices. Now look at here, computer network. What is computer network, children? My dear children, computer network is a collection of two or more computers connected together in order to communicate and share the data and information. My dear children, computer network basically a collection. It means when the computer, more than one computers are connected to each other and ready to share their information or data, files or peripheral devices, that is the computer network. इट मीन्स कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क में क्या होता है कि बहुत सारे कंप्यूटर एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड होते हैं और अपना डॉक्यूमेंट्स को शेयर कर सकते हैं. कोई भी कंप्यूटर किसी भी डॉक्यूमेंट को शेयर कर सकता है. अगर पेरिफेरल डिवाइसेस कोई अटैच है, सपोज प्रिंटर है तो प्रिंटर को भी शेयर कर सकता है. तो दिस इज द कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क. Now look at here. This picture shows in this picture two computers are in network and one printer. Look at here. These two computers connected with the wires, and this computer connected with printer through wire. And now if this computer want to access this printer, it can easily access this printer because these two computers are connected in the network through the wire. So students, when the computers are connected in a network, there is the need of cable or the wire. Now look at here, this picture. This is also an example of the computer network. Here are the four computers, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the client, and middle one is the server. It means server is the central computer which hold the large amount of data or files which is accessed by the computers connected to it. It means client computer can access the data or files that are stored in the server. Look at here children. Central computer server means central computer server को बोलते हैं. Now it act as an storage location of the file and the application that are shared on the net. It means क्या हुआ बच्चों कि सेंट्रल कंप्यूटर जो है जिसको हम लोग सर्वर बोलते हैं, उसमें बहुत सारे फाइल्स, फोल्डर्स, बहुत सारे एप्लीकेशंस वगैरह स्टोर करते हैं जो नेटवर्क पे शेयर किया जाता है. ना सर्वर स्टोर्स एंड सेंड द डेटा to other computers and also control the network access of the other computer, which are referred to the client computer. So students, client are the computer that receive and use the data from the servers. I think students clear here, sir, what is which computer is the client. Client computer is a computer which receive and use the data from the server. क्लाइंट वो कंप्यूटर है जो सर्वर के डेटा को यूज़ करता है.